Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A child is dead and his mother in police custody following a house fire in Grange Hill, Westmoreland yesterday. As Sandy Williams reports, the cause of the fire is still being investigated.
About 11:20 Saturday night, 8-year-old Ramil Richardson was burnt to death when his house went up in flames in Grange Hill district. Residents noticed the blaze coming from the 4-bedroom board structure and alerted the fire brigade. Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, says a team immediately responded.
Upon arrival, they saw a 4-bedroom dwelling house constructed of board with zinc roofing, totally engulfed. They were told that a child may be trapped in the building. They quickly got into operation.
Ramil's charred remains were found in what's left of the scorched structure. It's understood he was inside the house alone at the time of the fire.
The cause of the fire, based on information from the mother, is suspected electrical short circuit. She told the team that she was outside, away from the house, speaking to a friend. When she got back to the house shortly thereafter, she saw fire on the electric wire, which quickly spread to the house, and she panicked, and as such, wasn't able to rescue her son from the burning rubble.
Mr. Beckford says investigators are trying to determine the cause of the fire. Commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Othniel Dobson, told TVJ News that preliminary investigations suggest that an illegal connection to the JPS power line may have sparked the fire. Ramil's mother has since been taken into custody. Superintendent Dobson says she will be questioned by investigators about the circumstances which led to her son's death. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.